Under the floodlights of a packed stadium, Messi and Ronaldo find themselves in a peculiar showdown. The referees have thrown out the rule book, leading to a series of unexpected challenges. First up is the Ball Control Showdown. Messi, with his nimble feet, begins to weave intricate patterns on the field. But Ronaldo, always the showman, falls dramatically to the ground, rolling exaggeratedly, clutching his shin with a pained expression. The crowd gasps, but Messi just shakes his head, pulling out a mini soccer ball to perform tricks as Ronaldo continues to play the victim, sneaking a wink at the amused onlookers. Next, they face the free kick duel. Positioned perfectly for a classic free kick, they're suddenly locked in a heated debate over technique. "My bends are more exquisite," Messi explains, to which Ronaldo retorts, "But can you do it on a rainy night in Manchester?" The argument turns to ridiculous bets, with the loser doomed to wear a clown costume for a month. A giggle ripples through the stadium as both players stand stubbornly with hands on hips. Following that, it's the ultimate celebration battle. Scoring imaginary goals, they each burst into celebration. Messi points triumphantly to the sky, a picture of sincerity, while Ronaldo breaks into an over-the-top dance routine, complete with moonwalks and spins, bewildering everyone except his grinning fans. They move on to the endurance challenge, a race around the pitch. With whistles blowing, they sprint in earnest, but temptation strikes, and both stop to snap selfies with the cheering crowd. The race is forgotten, replaced by a spontaneous social media moment. Finally, in the teammate swap, they switch jerseys, attempting to blend with each other's teams. Chaos ensues as they stubbornly play their own way, missing passes and arguing over who should take the corner kick. The friendly rivalry leads to laughter, shaking hands, and the realization that their competitive spirit is only outdone by their shared love of the beautiful game.